Installing a new operating system is exciting, until you realize you have to hunt down and install all your drivers manually. If you've ever installed Windows 10 or 11, you know the struggle. Missing drivers, endless searches, and devices that just won't work. But what if I told you there's a one-click solution that can automatically install and update every single driver on your PC without the headache? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Let's jump in. First, we need to grab Driver Booster, the tool that will handle everything for us. I've linked it in the description below, so go ahead and click the download link. Once the file is downloaded, open it up and start the installation process. Just follow the usual steps, but pay attention. There might be some optional apps bundled with it. Make sure to uncheck anything extra so you don't install unwanted software. After that, hit Next and let the installation complete. Now that Driver Booster is installed, open it up. The first thing we need to do is scan for outdated or missing drivers. Click the Scan button and let the software do its thing. Driver Booster will analyze all the hardware in your system and check for the latest drivers available. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of outdated drivers, along with their current versions and the latest available updates. Now for the best part, updating all your drivers with a single click. At the top, you'll see a big Update Now button. Click on it, and Driver Booster will automatically download and install every necessary driver for your system. Here's why this tool is a lifesaver. It has a huge driver database, so it finds even rare or outdated drivers. It installs everything automatically, saving you from searching manually. It creates a restore point, so if something goes wrong, you can roll back to a previous version. While the updates are running, you can sit back, relax, and let the software do all the work. Once all the updates are installed, you may need to restart your PC. Driver Booster even gives you the option to automatically reboot once updates are done. After restarting, open the program again and do a quick scan to ensure everything is up to date. If no updates are found, congratulations, you're good to go. And that's it! In just a few clicks, you've installed and updated every driver on your system without any hassle. No more searching for missing drivers or dealing with broken devices. Everything is handled for you. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.